Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to KT Garage, the swap zone. In this video, I will show you how to replace the Fox Body, door handle, door locks, and the rods. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. I'll show you guys how to remove these handles. They're super easy to remove and put back. So in order to remove the door handles and the lock, of course you gotta take the inner panel out. You gotta take them out anyway as part of the paint preparation. And you gotta raise your window all the way up to get access to them. And as you can see in here, there's two rivets. There's one here and one there. You gotta drill those out from the outside. And then the linkage, this linkage right here is attached to the top there. And they can easily be removed. I'll show you how to do that. And then let's see, for the lock, there's a linkage that's right here. You just need to pull this tab out and then move this linkage away from the lock. You just pull them out and it'll come right out. So that's pretty much it to get it out. And then there's a tab on the outside. This is what's retaining the lock. So you just gotta get a crowbar and then just make sure that this gets pushed out. And then you pry from the back and it'll come right out. All right, so let's work on the handle first. You can see that this is the linkage I was talking about from the top. And if you trace it, there's a little tab up there. It's already broken because it's too old. But you gotta take those tab out. And then you trace it down. And down here, there's another. This is the end of the linkage on the other side, and that's a little tab here. It's still here, so you gotta pop it out. You see here, yeah. You just get this out of the way, and then you pull this linkage towards me or towards the camera, and then that way you can get that linkage to come down to relieve it from the top. So I'm gonna have to put the camera down to get that done. And this is what the linkage look like. You can see that this yellow tab, it's just designed to hold it with a little tab back here. And as soon as you pop it out, out of the tab's supposed to go on the other side. Pop that out, and then you pull this whole thing. Then from the top, just drop right down. You take it out. So that's how you get the linkage out. So to get the handle out, I'll have to drill these two rivets right here. I found a little bit better way to deal with this. So on the first rivet, I started to drill the steel core out first, which is quite difficult to get it drilled out. On the second one, I just try to use the punch, just to punch out the steel core first, and it came right out. So for you guys, it's best probably just to use a punch and to get the steel core to come out of it. Now you just left with the aluminum rivet, which is a lot easier to drill out. I'm just gonna like enlarging this hole, and then the rivet should be able to come right out. Same on this side. I'm going to start working on the lock, latch mechanism of the linkage actually. And with this linkage, you just push it forward, get it out of the way, so you can pull the rod out. And you can see the rod comes right out, just like that. And now the linkage is completely disengaged from the lock. All you need to do is just get this piece out here to come out, and then the lock will fall right out. Okay, so the idea is to get this piece to go forward first, or just get it away from the door before you can push it out. And then as you get your screwdriver in there, just get a crowbar and then just pull it out. You see how simple that is? And you keep pulling, this come out, and this is what really retaining a lock. And so at this point, I should be able to come over, pull the lock out from that side. Here you go, guys. Next, I'm going to put the door handle on. And these are designed to have a couple of rivets that you can rivet through. I'm not going to use the rivet. It's too hard to remove in case I need to replace the handle because it breaks. So I'm going to bolt it in. I have some stainless steel 7/16 bolts that I'm going to, these are 1/4 inch bolt that I'm going to be using to bolt it on. So it fits right on. You just two bolts and you're done. Okay, so next I'm going to put this lock back on, and there are right and left hand, so make sure you use the right one. And so this one happened to be the driver's side. You can see that this slot right here is bigger down here and then it's small up here. So, and it lines up with the big one on the bottom. Small one on top, it goes in, and it should fit right in. You just kind of just push it in. Let me see. And if you push it hard enough, I think it goes in. There we go. And then to retain it, there's a clip that I took out from my earlier video. So you kind of insert it in there, get through the slots, push it in, and you're done. Now the last thing to do is to put the linkages back, and they go back in the same order that you take them out. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.